Responsible and ethical use of social media platforms by political parties and their representatives. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to understand the negative impact of manipulated, distorted, edited content on social media platforms in electioneering purposes. State the Commission instructions regarding responsible and ethical use of social media platforms by political parties and their representatives. Know the time frame for removal of unlawful contents from social media platforms. Cite the various legal provisions. Not post or promote content which is derogatory towards women or repugnant to the honor and dignity of women. Not use social media platform to post anything which is against the Commission's advisories prohibiting the use of children in any political campaign. Not portray violence, harm or harassment of animals on social media platforms. Not allow the respect to social media handlers to publish and circulate deepfake audios and videos which violate the provisions of Acts and rules and regulations. Report the presence of any unlawful information and fake user accounts looking alike their official handles on social media platform to the concerned social media platform forthwith. In case of continued presence of such unlawful information or fake user account reporting to the social media platform, they can approach the Grievance Appellate Committee set up under the IT Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code Rules 2021. Removal of unlawful contents. Whenever such deepfake audios, videos come to the notice of the political parties, they shall immediately take down the post, but maximum within a period of 3 hours, and also identify and warn the responsible person within the party. The legal provisions related to IPC, RP Act and IT Act is shown on the screen. In this educational video, we have learned about the instructions regarding the use of social media platforms by the political parties. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact to the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.